On weekends.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I got it working, guys.
Yeah, you got what working?
The camera, check it out.
Hold on, we're not ready to roll yet.
What are you not ready to roll yet?
I mean, I'm not ready. This is the first video we're doing for the youth, and if it's not right, they're not gonna like it.
I mean, how hard is it to do a youth video?
What are y'all arguing about?
We're talking about the youth video, and I'm not ready to do it yet. You gotta tell them about the announcements and all that other stuff.
Caleb, updates are important. When you're updating youth, you gotta have the facts. You gotta let them know clearly and concisely everything that's going on so they can be excited about it and be prepared for it, right?
Okay.
What do we have up to now? I know that we got free ATF event, which is
March 22nd.
This Friday.
Okay.
This Friday. 6:30. Bring your parents. There's gonna be free food. We're getting to meet our chaperones.
Whoa. There's gonna be free food?
Free food.
March 22nd?
This Friday.
Wow.
6:30.
Okay.
You get to meet your chaperone, and you're gonna get the details of the ATF trip.
Wednesdays, March 27th. We're getting ready to change everything.
Okay, so not this Wednesday, but next.
The next Wednesday, we're about to have the pre-party from 6 o'clock to 6:45. We're gonna have free food again. We're gonna have basketball. We're gonna have frisbee, and we're bringing in a DJ too.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
What else are we doing on Wednesdays?
Well, the free stuff sounds good, but what about the message?
We got live worship. We're about to start having live worship.
Live worship. That's amazing enough, but I felt like there's something else.
We're starting the Breaking Bad series. It's going to be based off of Hebrews 12:1. It's all about people getting free and letting go of their weight so that they can live the purpose that God has for them in their life. I mean, how are we gonna do what God has called us to do if we're keeping holding on to the things that we got to let go? I mean, I'm about to preach right now.
Oh, he's preaching up.
But you know, I feel like a real preacher right now because I'm getting hungry and we need to go to the store.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah. What up, T-Minus? Give me a second. Listen what I'm saying to you. Listen.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
They be talking money, man, and gay talk fame. And people say I talk about the same old thing. Reason that I sound the same, cause the truth don't change. Look, people get it twisted like a lemon in a spirit. If I ain't talking healing, I must be talking about healing. And I ain't talking about how Jesus gon' make me $1 million with my hands to the ceiling. I got that spiritual feeling. Head bad down, knees to the floor. You a Christian and you rap, it's me the way you flow. No, I talk reality like mama on a deathbed. The birth of a child, a soldier losing his left leg. Who gon' write songs to give him hope in his chair? Addicted to pain, till his wife left last year. Your favorite rapper was probably trying to make his next hit.
I feel like there was something else.
Something coming up, some big event coming up.
Next, the 27th is the pre-party, which is kicking off the Breaking Bad
No,
series.
something bigger. Guys, I'm talking something big, like Easter
Okay,
big.
so let's go over everything again. ATF pre-event, 6:30, March 22nd.
Wednesday, March 27th, we're gonna do, you know, basketball and free food. And we're gonna have a DJ.
DJ!
And then we're gonna start off the Breaking Bad series. We're gonna have live worship. But I feel like, man, there's something else coming.
Wait a second.
Resurrection celebration.
I knew we were on to something.
March 30th, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the church. It's gonna be bigger and better than it ever has been
There's
before.
gonna be food, events, t-shirts,
food again.
food again. It's fun.
Fun, that's right.
And most importantly, honoring the day that our Savior was risen from the grave. I don't feel like there's a better day.
And nothing can be more important than that.
Alright.
Y'all want a chip?
So is that it, guys?
Cause this is what you do when you update kids.
Perfect.
Been updated.
I like that.
And this is not a diss, this how reality sound. Let it off my mind, this how my mentality sound. Everything I do